Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this crochet granny square hat. I used a J hook. The pattern's down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already. If this is too fast, you can place it in slow motion, which is down below in the description. And also there's a playlist for beginner stitches. If you need to make this a little bit bigger or smaller, you can go up or down on the hook size. Okay, so let's get started. To get started, you're going to do a magic circle. If this is your first time, there's a link on how to do that below. I just wrap it around my fingers and then I go inside with my hook and then grab the yarn, secure it with a chain 1, and I'm going to do a chain 3. So yarn over and pull through, and the first part of the square is all going to be done in the circle. Yarn over and create a double crochet, insert your hook and then grab the yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and then work another double crochet, chain 2, and then 3 double crochet, and then chain 2, and then work your 3 double crochet, and then chain 2, work 3 double crochet again, and then chain 2, pull it close, then you're going to slip stitch, pull it through, and then slip stitch into the next 2 stitches, and then slip stitch into the chain space. It's going to look like this. Then you're going to chain 2 and work 2 double crochet, and then chain 2, then work 3 double crochet, and then chain 1, and then work 3 double crochet in the next space, and then chain 2, and then work 3 double crochet, then chain 1, and then just repeat 3 double crochet, and then chain 2, and then 3 double crochet, and then chain 1, and then repeat that here, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 1, and chain 1, and then slip stitch into the chain 2, slip stitch into the next 2 stitches, and then slip stitch into the chain space, then chain 2, work 2 double crochet, chain 2, then work 3 double crochet, then chain 1, and then in this space work 3 double crochet, and then chain 1, and then work your 3 double crochet, and then chain 2, work 3 double crochet, chain 1, and then 3 double crochet, and then chain 1, and you're going to work your 3 double crochet, chain 1, and then you'll work your 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 1, and then work your 3 double crochet. Work that until you get back to the beginning. Then you're going to chain 1 and slip stitch into the chain 2, and then slip stitch into the next 2 stitches, slip stitch into the space, and then you're going to chain 2, work 2 double crochet, and then chain 2, then work 3 double crochet, and then chain 1, and then work 3 double crochet in the space, and then chain 1, and then work 3 double crochet in the space, and then work 3 double crochet, and then chain 2, and then work 3 double crochet, then chain 1, and work your 3 double crochet, and then chain 1, and then work 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, and work that until you get all the way around back to the beginning. So I slip stitched into the space here, and I'm going to repeat all of this again for 3 more rounds for a total of 7 rounds. You need to make 2 of these so you can sew them together to make this hat, and this is just all repeat. So I would do the chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, then chain 1, work your 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, then your chain 1, then do your corners 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Repeat that all the way around, okay? And then I'll show you how to do the sewing of the squares together. So your loose ends, you're going to weave them in the back about 2 to 3 times to make them secure. And then just cut those ends. So now you're going to take both of your granny squares together and match them up. I have this facing outward, and you're going to take the yarn that you've been working with, or you can add a new yarn color, and I slip stitched into the chain space where I last worked my stitches, and I'm going to go right into the corners and work 2 single crochet. So grab the yarn over and pull through 2, and then match up your 3 stitches here, and you're going to work a single crochet in both of the granny square double crochet. And then in the space, work a single crochet. In the corners, you'll work 2, but in this one, you just work 1. And then work the single crochet in the matched up stitches. And then your 1 single crochet. It's going to start looking like this where it connects, and you're going to go down and then go down and work your single crochets in each stitch and in here, and then when you get to this corner, work 2 single crochet. Just do it on this side here, this side, and this side, and then leave this part open, and you're just going to work around the edge and then go back around and work around the edge for the single crochet. So I'm at the opening where you're going to place this over your head, and if you want to do an edging, you can just work a single crochet in each stitch. And then a single crochet in the space, single crochet in each stitch. And then in the space, and you're going to work that all the way around, and then when you get to here, you're going to work it all the way around until you get back to the beginning. And now you're going to end with a slip stitch, and then you can fasten off, yarn over, pull through, cut your yarn, and then you'll weave in your end. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this crochet granny square hat, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.